Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today is Memorial Day, and it is a day to remember those who have fought for our freedom and given their lives to let us be free. And I hope that you are enjoying your Memorial Day, but I also hope that you will stop and take a minute to think about those people who have given everything for us. Not a lot of people are willing to lay down their lives for strangers. The other thing I want to say is some people get it confused with Veterans Day. Veterans Day is in November, and on Veterans Day, we honor those who have served and are still alive. And there's also another holiday that just happened a week or two ago called Armed Forces Day, and that is to honor those who are currently serving. And we don't celebrate that one nearly enough here in this country. I also wanted to share with you this. This is called a service flag, and you hang these in your window if you have a loved one who is serving in the military. These started back in World War I, and you can still see them today. So it's this red field with the white on the inside, and you have a blue star for your service member. I have two, so I have two blue stars. So this one is for my Army son, and this one is for my Air Force son who's still in training. And what you do not want is a gold star. A gold star shows that someone died in that family serving the country. And so the gold star would be placed on top of the blue star with just a little bit of the blue border showing. So yeah, I do not want to become a gold star mom. I'm happy being a blue star mom. I will leave a link in the description below if you would like to order a flag like this for someone that maybe you know who has someone in the military, or maybe you have someone in the military and you want to hang one in your window, looking outside so that others can see that a service member lives there. This is Michelle with Straw-Bearie Designs, and have a great Memorial Day.